Hello, today I was in Poundland getting some masking tape for a paint job I'm going to be doing on a window, and I noticed these things. This is an insect Terminator, fun enough in the summer living range, which is a bit weird because it's for killing, not living. And I thought I'd take a look. It takes, and I put them in, 2 AA batteries. You have a little switch on the side, whack that back together. It's quite hard to electrocute yourself with this. You do have to go for it, but if you put your fingers between there and touch the other thing, wow, you get a nice healthy bell. So that kicks out a fair amount of voltage. I'd hazard to guess it does kill flies. There aren't any about at the moment to find out. What I thought I'd do is open it up and see what's inside. So I'm just going to whip the batteries out, whip the screws off, and then let's have a look. There's 2 batteries out. There we go. Right, back in a sec, let's open it up. Well, no, I could just open it up now. Fun enough, with a Poundland electrical screwdriver, supposed to be insulated. Well, it probably is. Yes, I haven't noticed Big Clive do a takedown of this yet, so I thought I'd get in there first. And it's got to be a fairly simple circuit for a pound. It looks like a circuit board. Just held in by that. There we go. The most basic circuit you could probably get. Hold on. I'll just show you that. That is a high voltage generator in a nice, small, concise circuit. Let me just try and figure out the circuit diagram of that, and I shall be back in a sec. And there we have it. That is one of the most simple oscillators you will see. It has a fairly chunky transistor there that can kick out 3 watts. The base is fed from the middle of the coil, and when it turns on it'll dump power through that coil. That seems to self-oscillate. For some reason or other, not quite sure why, but there is a feed across to this side, only on one side. No idea why, but that there over there has got an 800 volt capacitor with a 22 mega ohm resistor across it for self-discharge. And well, it's a Poundland device. You'd expect it not to have much in it, and one of the great things about coming across circuits like this is seeing how they manage to do things like that with so few components. That is quite a little belter of a circuit, that one. I quite like that. 800 volts, give or take a few bob, kicked out from a very basic couple of bits of circuit. Let's just tuck that back together again. That all the way down. just make sure it still electrocutes things. Get in there. Ooh, that gives you one hell of a belt. Incidentally, that stays. Cool, that smells. It's burnt the skin off my fingers. Ah, yes. That is definitely going to do for a fly. And I have managed to miss lining the LED up, so I'll have to take that apart again. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. I don't normally electrocute myself, but on that occasion I did.